After 10 o'clock today, the first signal came. So the buy call came at buy at 48,750. That white line from green candle, that white line is the entry line. Above line are target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily, this chart analyze the candle movement. Once the candle breakout in live market, it will give the calls like a signal. Through these calls, you can do your intraday trading like manual trade, auto trade, both are possible. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We are watching in Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. On daily on standard basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Like how calls are generating, how it performing in live market. Today it's a Friday market, March 7th market we are watching. After 10 o'clock, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. That straight white line is buy at 48,750. 750 is the entry point. First target is 871. So more than 120 point first target range. Like this daily basis, this chart will generate the calls like a signal. Through this call signal, you can do your intraday trading. Within 10 minutes, it successfully break out the first target range also. First 7 to 8 minute market traded in a flat line that started to move in upper side direction and break out the target. Like this call generated and breakout. So today the first call itself, it's a successful buy call. If you want to know the plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.